And now I can code it. So these are, I click on Code tab here. These are coding blocks, and they snap together like Lego. The first coding block that we are going to use is one which says when the sprite is clicked. So when we click on the hiwi, we want to play the sound. So when something happens in Scratch or in computer programs in general, it's called an event. So click on the yellow events category and click and drag out, or tap and drag out, the coding block that says when this sprite clicked. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see it better. When this sprite clicked, then we want to play the sound. So the sound has its own category. So this is like a coding drawer. When we click on these drawers, all the sound blocks are pink. So we're going to drag out this one that says play sound hiwi until done. Now notice that it's a different shape. And notice also as I get close to this other block, a little shadow appears, and this indicates that if I drop it now, it will snap into position just like that. Fits well, doesn't it? Now notice that the shape at the top has a little hump. So that's what we call a starting block. So now when this sprite is clicked, play sound hiwi until done. When we're coding, the code runs from top to bottom. So you always need one of these starting blocks, and then these other blocks can fit in. They just snap together. Now, if you don't want a block, you can just drag it back into the blocks drawer. So now that we've done our coding, let's test this out.
Hiwi. Hiwi.
And it
Hiwi.
works.